Hi guys, I'm Ben, and welcome to a Minecraft Let's Play video. And the glitch is back. It's not worse than last time. Oh, is this the redstone pit you went in?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
There's glowstone down there.
There's stuff down here. Yeah. There's torches and stuff. Wow.
I know. Seriously. There's a piston.
Matt Builders, I discovered your redstone pit.
Down here. I don't think we can actually get up by this, but ow. That did not hurt me, but I still want to say ow. What's up here? There's nothing. Now I'm trapped. Don't, parrots. I'm stuck. I need to glide. That did not open well. No. Bella, I'm trying to glide.
That was nothing.
Ben,
why did I download that free music pack?
Ben, help.
Look at that. Look at that. That looks ridiculous.
Get this. I'm trying to get you on my shoulders.
Equip.
I want me? Yeah. My blue twin, my green twins. You can pop off everyone.
Why the armor stand in the plastic texture pack? The black thing went away from the latest Minecraft Earth video
help.
I did.
I'm stuck.
Oh, Sam, I do.
Yeah.
If I can find
Ben, teleport me. Teleport me.
I don't know. Sam.
The parrots have fluttered on my shoulders.
Okay, we need to find everything in. Okay. There could be anything. Oh, what? I got your music disc. Mellow here.
Ben, come into the redstone pit. I need you.
Far.
Ben.
Chirp.
I need you to teleport me. Ben, chirp's my favorite.
Chirp.
Ben.
We've only.
Ben.
Is that way? Oh, Strad. Cat.
I love cat. Ben, I wish cat sound like a cat.
And blocks.
Ben, hey!
Sam, okay. I can see your tag.
I did it! I glided across.
Did you actually find?
Yeah, I went out. All I need to do is find entrance. Yep, I found entrance. Don't worry.
No, we didn't. It's called Wait. We need to find the Wait one.
Wait.
And yeah, every music disc was there except for Wait. Why do the glass panes have the plastic texture? But so glitchy.
Hey, parrot, on my shoulder. You go. Ben, I got my blue twins.
The base grading.
Ben, I got my green twins. Come into where the redstone was. Come see my blue twins. It's so
the CD.
Yeah, I'm gonna be my friend.
There's an Easter egg where there's an Easter egg if you play this disc that I'm holding in my hand, it creates a image.
You can go to
if you're in the Minecraft game files, and it looks like the default player skin head. That head.
A llama, the llama. I'm not gonna kill him. He'll spit at me. I'm in the jungle bit. A bit of jungle trees around here.
I did walk
running around in circles around them. That is
Sam.
funny.
I see the firework button that you pressed last time.
Wait. I'm gonna go up there.
Push the button to test the blue firework. Press the button for a big firework show. I hit the button. Sam, did you use all the fireworks? Sam probably used all the fireworks.
I did not. Wait.
It's just really tempting.
Small ball. Press the button to see the light. blue and time.
Sam,
Star shaped.
we might as well have some fun creating.
Whoa! A star one! They're gonna go wrong. Whoa! Stars. Okay, the last. Press the button to see the purple large ball with twinkle.
Hey, that's your misplaced music. It's in an item frame. I know it could be the gold one.
I did not use all these fireworks. Do not fall off me.
Okay, the firework crafting room. I'm in there. Creeper face shape. Star-shaped shape. Creeper face shape. Paper. Trail effect.
Then
you add diamonds for trail effect.
I want diamond.
Effect to a glowstone.
I want glowstone.
Burst shape with feather. Big ball shape with fireworks. With firecrackers.
I'm just getting a stack of fireworks on this.
Gunpowder. Wow. How big? How much gunpowder is here?
I got a lot of fireworks.
Yeah, I still have
Ben, I'm level 1. I'm only level 1.
You're level 1 on this.
I'm level 1.
A crafting table.
I'm
We're gonna
making
need some
your own fireworks.
gunpowder and then the glowstone.
I want the diamond. Diamond.
Oh, I know what to do.
Diamond, I want you. Where are you? Where's the diamond? Ben,
Trail effect.
do you have diamond? Do you have the diamond? I got it out of the item frame.
Come and get me, come and get me, come and get me, come and get me, come and get me.
I actually want to make some glowstone. This dust could be useful. I can't make it. I need it.
We won't. It always does that.
I know. I need it.
Shaped crafting.
You get it.
Paper head. We're gonna need paper.
And my pet was just having a little splash. One of them, not both of them.
Glowstone.
I need my seeds. But
Looks
I'm
a bit
getting
like
really
pea.
unlucky on my seeds.
Yeah, you never get seeds. You've never had any seeds. I need to craft a basic firework first.
A seed. 2 seeds. Yay, I got 3 seeds. I just saved 1 little seed from last time. No. None of the others are lucky.
No. This won't
soon.
work. We still need to find the disc, okay?
I know. We
Okay.
need. What is it again? I keep forgetting. Here's it.
Press the button to see the red and yellow small ball.
And Ben, the next one's really cool. It's a
The
star.
star.
Yeah, that's a star.
Wow.
See.
Wow, the purple one. What was Sam, did you probably pressed the big firework trick? Oh,
I
Spencer could be in here.
I did.
It's a fireworks. That's just a fireworks, not the weight disc. Okay, if you found the weight disc, if you just see it in the corner of our eye, the corner of the screen or something, please comment.
Because we cannot see things and talk very well at the same time.
Comment. Sam, stop.
And you're right.
Okay.
I'm
I
splashing
don't have
with
night
fountain.
vision.
I'm about to drown. Which way?
A fountain.
Yeah, I was just splashing around and I nearly drowned.
Is that the gold one?
I might get this.
Oh, it's more. What is the gold
Get
one?
this.
It's 13. Is 13 what it's called?
Ben, I wish it was just like any music disc because you got what I have.
Yeah, I got loads.
I got 0. Ooh.
I got loads of
I
discs.
actually might
To a
I
jukebox.
actually might get this lemon.
Be hiding.
I mean, melon. Lemon.
Insert disc 11.
I got some lemon. Melon. Ben, I got lots of food.
11.
I got lots of food. 4 bits of
Lots
bread and 25 melons.
Ah, no, not that.
Melons.
Oh, 11 must be, wait, where are we now? Or if you're playing on console.
Move. Are we on console?
No, we're on phone. We're on pocket. Not console. Console is Wii U and stuff. PS is the first version of Minecraft I ever played.
Ben, I got lots of seeds. Lots.
We could
Ben, I got so much seeds. I got 8. Ben, I got 8 seeds.
insert disc 11 on the whole. Sam, okay. When you find disc 11, if you find a disc that says wait, just tell me because that is going to be really important.
I found some
Because
dyes
the Howdy.
and gunpowder.
Sam, don't get carried away with.
Okay, I only got a few of them. Don't worry.
Okay.
I got a bit of money, and that is a gold nugget. Money. I got one bit of money, Ben. One.
Sam, I finally put my elytra to good use, and I'm
Let's put
trying to. Is this just a bunch? I'm in a cloud.
You're in a cloud.
Yeah, I'm on top of the palace.
Ben, I'm setting up into the royal palace. Wait.
No, that didn't help me any.
Seeds.
That just hurt me big time.
Thank you. I got 9 seeds.
That just hurt me big
Then I got
time.
9
Sam.
seeds.
I got 9 diamonds. I know this isn't a map for using diamonds, but it's still good. I see the tallest tree in the jungle, which is you can just judge it by seeing the one.
Where are you?
Got fireworks.
Parrots.
Fireworks.
More parrots. Ben,
Awesome, I got
more parrots. I want more parrots. Ben, I see it's important for other things. Or just taming parrots.
Ah! That actually hurt a lot. Come on. Ah!
Ben, I'm just gonna get this.
Don't let me down, Elijah. Yes!
I got the really dark blue one. Yay!
Did you get a dark blue one?
Yeah, and I got the tropical one.
Sam,
I got 4
I'm gonna
parrots.
try and get on top of the palace.
I'm a parrot.
Sam, since we've got fireworks,
More parrots.
Sam, let's end the video here.
Yeah.
And in the next one, we'll try to get on top of the palace. Okay, guys? Bye!
No, I ran out of seeds.